everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Evie, and on today's video I'll be showing you how to crochet a heart with roses. So this is what I'll be using: a red yarn, my crochet hook as usual, and a pair of scissors. So to start, I will double up my yarn and make a magic ring. So for the magic ring, I'll yarn over my 2 fingers, then pull it. I'll go ahead and chain 2, 1, 2, and then place 10 half double crochets all around the magic ring. So go ahead and place 10 half double crochets. I have my 10 double crochets, so I'll go ahead and pull this yarn. Then I will make a slip knot right here, like so. Then I'll chain 2, 1, 2, and go ahead and place 2 double crochets on this stitch here. On the next stitch I'll place 2 double crochets. The first one, second. So go ahead and place 2 double crochets in each and every chain. So I have 20 double crochets, so I'll go ahead to close off the second row. On this stitch here I'll place a slip stitch, then chain 2. For the fourth row I'll go ahead and place 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochets on the next stitch. So that's the sequence for the third row: 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet on the same stitch. So go ahead, then I'll meet you when I'm here. I'm done with my fourth row, so go ahead and make a slip stitch, then chain 2. On the fifth row I'll be making an increase after the crocheting 3 double crochet. So I'll crochet a double crochet on the next stitch, the second double crochet, a third double crochet, then I'll make an increase on the fourth double crochet on the same stitch. So that's the sequence for row 5. 2, 3, 4, 3 double crochet, then make an increase. After every 3 double crochet, make an increase. Second, that, then make an increase. I'm done with row 3, so go ahead and make a slip stitch right here, then I'll chain 2. For the fourth row I'll place 1 double crochet on the next stitch, another double crochet on the next stitch, and then make an increase of 2 half double crochet on the same stitch. So that's the sequence: 1 half double crochet, another double crochet, sorry, and then on the next stitch here place 2 double crochets. Then I'll meet you when I'm at the end of the row. I'm done with my row 5, so I'll go ahead and make a slip stitch, then chain 2. For my 6th row, I'll be placing 4 double crochets. The first one, second, third, fourth, and make an increase on the 5th stitch. So that's the sequence. Crochet 4 double crochets, and on the 5th stitch here make an increase. I'm done with row 6, so go ahead, make a slip stitch, then chain 2. For my 7th row, I'll be crocheting 5 double crochet, and on the 6th chain make an increase. So I'll go ahead, place the first one, the second one, the third, fourth, 5th double crochet, and then place 2 double crochets on the 6th chain. That marks as an increase. So that's the sequence of row 7. 5 double crochet, and on the 6th stitch make an increase. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and make an increase on the 6th stitch. I'm done with row 7, so I'll go ahead, make a slip stitch, then chain 2. So for row 8 I'll be chaining for row 8 I'll be chaining 6 double crochet. I'll be doing 6 double crochet. The first one, the second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th. Then on the 7th chain I'll make an increase, so I will place 2 double crochets on the 7th stitch. So go ahead, crochet 6 double crochets, then on the 7th make an increase. So to finish up row 8 I'll make a slip stitch, then chain 2, and for row 9 I'll be doing 7 double crochet, and then make an increase on the 8th stitch. So the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven. Then I'll make an increase of 2 double crochets on the 8th stitch. So go ahead, then I'll meet you when I'm back here. I'm done with row 9, so I'll go ahead and make a slip stitch. Then I'll chain 2. So for row 10, I'll be doing 8 double crochet, and on the 9th stitch I will make an increase. So go ahead, place 8 double crochets, and on the 9th here I'll make an increase. I will place 2 double crochets. So that's the sequence for row 10. 8 double crochets, and on the 9th stitch place 2 double crochets for an increase. Then I'll be done with the increase. I'm done with row 10, so I'll go ahead, make a slip stitch. So from here there will be no increases, so I will just go ahead with the double crochets all through. Then I'll meet you when I'm done. So no more increases, just place double crochets all around your work. I went ahead, I did 8 rows of double crochet with no increases. So I will place single crochets all around to finish up my top part of the hat. I'm done with my single crochet, so I'll go ahead, cut off the yarn, and then make a slip knot. Tuck it in. Now for the roses, I'll go ahead and chain 120. I'll chain 120. After chaining 120, I'll go ahead and count 5 stitches. Then I'll place a double crochet, chain 2, and then go ahead on the same stitch, place a double crochet to create excuse a V shape, then yarn over, count 2. On the 3rd chain here, place a double crochet, then chain 2. On the same stitch here, place a double crochet. So that's the pattern. Skip 2, that here, place a double crochet, then chain 2. On the same stitch, place a double crochet. So go ahead, then I'll meet you once I'm here. At the end of the row, so I'll go ahead, chain 1, turn my work. On this V shape here, I'll place 5 chain 3, sorry, then yarn over and place 5 double crochets. First one, second, third, fourth, fifth. Then on this place here I'll place a single crochet. Then on the next V shape here I'll place 8 double crochets. 2, 3, 6, 7, sorry, 8. Then a single crochet on the next stitch and 8 double crochets on this V space here. So that's the pattern. 8 double crochets in each and every V shape, and on this space here place a single crochet. On the last V shape here I'll place 5 double crochets. Then cut off my yarn and make a slip knot. So this is what I have. The next thing I'll do, I will roll it up. So I'll take the tip of where it all started and roll it nicely and slowly. Now this is how it looks like after rolling. So I'll go ahead, turn it, then take my needle and sew it up. I did 8 roses, so I'll go ahead and attach them on my hat right here. So to attach it, to sew it, I'll go ahead and place it like this, then take my needle and sew it. There's no formula, just going around with your needle. Then yeah, I'll meet you when I've attached all the 8 roses together. I'm done sewing and this is the final look. Thanks for watching.